Hi, hello everyone. Today we will learn about the hums. There are different types of hums. So we will be seeing four types of hums today. Okay. The first one I am drawing is like very small and thin hums. Like whenever you are drawing any flower, you can draw this hums. Okay. This is the first one. Okay. Now coming to the second type of hums. See, whenever you are drawing any line, as I told you in the last video, whenever you are drawing any line, don't touch the surface of the whatever, like paper, either it is a paper or you are drawing in the hand or anything. Don't touch the surface. The second hums is like little thicker than the first one. Okay. Coming to the third hums, like it is little bit, we should give the space in between. Okay. As you can see, the first one is so small and the second one is little bigger and third one is little more bigger, and the final last one is very more bigger hums. Okay, these all we can use these kind of different types of hums in our flower tutorial. Okay, whenever you are drawing any flower or something, you can use these kind of hums. So now I'm going to use these hums as like a either in the flower or something like that. So today I'm going to show you. I'll show you the mandala design. Okay, how to make the mandala design. So first I made the spiral, then the small hums. The first one which I saw, which we done. So we are going to apply that. Okay, the first layer is small hums, and the second layer also little small, little bigger compared to that. It doesn't look like any difference, but even though we can make it little bigger. Okay, so I make it the second layer. Now coming to the third layer, as you can see, little more bigger compared to that. This is the third one which we used, which we drawn before. We are going to use that one. See, whenever you are making any mandala, like any hums, whenever you are practicing, make like mandala design, like make one spiral, above that make two layer of hums, then again apply like filling, then again put the border, then again repeat the same thing. It will like a big one, it will come like big, the output will be like a big mandala design. Okay, so coming to the next one, as you can see, I am drawing little more bigger hums. Then I am making a outer border. As you can see, if I apply directly if I'm filling the outer part, then there will be little mess, like some will be in small, some will be like large. So I'm making the outer border, then I am making two layer of outer borders, then I'm going to fill those gaps, as you can see in the picture. Now you can see I am filling those gaps so that it looks very nice once you complete the work. Whenever you are making mehendi design or anything, the pressure should be equal. Wherever you are applying the pressure should be equal. It should not be more in one side and it should not be less in another side. So always make sure you are making the mehendi in good pressure. Okay, in the same level of pressure you should apply. Okay, this same pattern, now you can see I am done with one small mandala. The same mandala you can repeat again in same the core mandala. As you can see, this is the main core of the mandala design. Now again I am making a smaller hums, one layer, and again you can make the second layer this with the smaller hums, and again you can make little more bigger hums. Then after that again you should make two borders, then you have to fill the mehendi. Repeat these steps continuously until you get the 3 mandala design. Hope you got my point. Okay, so That's all for today. This is the first mandala design. As you can see, this is the second mandala. The same thing you can do in third and fourth, so that you will get a big mandala design. Okay, see you all in the next video. Bye.